All right, then. So on the first leg of the program this morning, we are drifting towards insurance. Not just insurance of any type. We are looking at an insurance policy of great concern. So we are getting a hold of your householder insurance policy. And joining me in the studio this morning, I have Adewale Salau, who is regional manager for Lagos Coronation Insurance. Adewale, nice to have you in the studios. Good morning.
Good morning. It's a pleasure being here.
It's the first time?
Oh, sure.
Okay. It's the first time I've been here?
Of course.
Oh, okay. So what do you make of our studios?
Oh, it's a wonderful studio and it's lovely. I like the serene. I like the ambience also.
Okay, it's great. Great to have you. All right, so Mr. Salau, we'll come to the insurance policy on focus. But first things first, let's get to know you and let's get into your world. So which insurance company is Lagos Coronation Insurance?
Okay, thank you so much. Good morning, Lagos. Good morning, everybody. Hi, my name is Adewale Salau. I'm the regional manager for Lagos Coronation Insurance PLC. And Coronation has been in Lagos has been around for the past 60 years.
You mean it?
Yeah.
60 years?
Yeah, it was formerly Wapik Insurance.
Oh, okay, Wapik.
Forth into Coronation that we know today.
All right. All right. Yes, go ahead.
And we are here to change the narrative about insurance, and we are here to transform, to provide transformational solution to African challenges.
Which is very, very good. Because when I heard Lagos Coronation, I was just thinking any affiliation with the Lagos state government.
No. It will just, the name is Coronation.
Okay, Coronation,
yeah.
Right. And you guys are just based in Lagos? Is that it?
No, we have Coronation Insurance Lagos. We have Coronation Ghana, Insurance Ghana. So it's about 14 entities in number, but the insurance part has three entities. We have the Coronation Life Assurance,
okay, and
we have the Coronation Insurance PLC, and we also have the Coronation Ghana.
All right. I just wanted to be very clear that, those that are staying in places like Osun, in Kwara, in Abuja or Port Harcourt, they can still do business with Coronation.
Of course, we are all over the country.
Okay. All right. So let's get to the policy focus. We're talking householder insurance, right?
Yeah.
Talk to us. What is householder insurance policy?
Okay, thank you so much. Householder insurance, like I said, we are here to provide transformational solutions to African challenges. And in Coronation, we tend to attend to our customers' need and want. And we realize that people are finding it difficult to come by when it comes to financial loss. And we now say, okay, fine, let's come up with a plan that will keep you, that will give you financial stability when we have unforeseen circumstances that happen to you in terms of theft, in terms of fire, in terms of anything can happen to you. So we come about this householder insurance.
Right.
For all of us who are working class, who are not working class artists, the plan is for everybody.
Okay.
And we notice that people run around doing their business in Lagos, and we are trying to make sure that you don't have the fear that, my house is the security about your house, the safety about your property.
Right.
We are there to take care of it. We are telling you now that transfer your risk to us and be at rest. Okay.
That sounds pretty good. But then this policy, a lot of times is, people use it interchangeably. There is the householder and there's the house owner. Is that correct?
Yes, basically the plan is categorized into two. The one for the landlord is called homeowner, and the one for the tenant is called householder.
Okay.
So we are basically telling you that if your landlord is not taking the insurance policy for his property, you can actually insure your property.
Meaning that you can insure the goods in the house?
You can insure your belongings, your assets, your gadget, right from there, and you're good to go.
All right.
Not minding whether your tenant, your co-tenant, or your landlord has an insurance.
All right. So how does it work? Talk to my listeners.
Oh, thank you so much. We are telling you basically that householder insurance is a policy that is designed to meet the needs of our client or people in Lagos, not just in Lagos but in Nigeria.
Okay.
And people who do not own homes and wish to have an insurance policy for the asset.
So basically it's for the tenant?
Yes, for the tenant.
All right. So if you rent a property or you are occupying a property that is not yours, the householder insurance is very, very fit for you?
Yes.
All right. So what is Lagos Coronation Insurance bringing to the table?
Not Lagos Coronation. Coronation Insurance.
Okay, yes. Coronation. Okay, let's remove the Lagos now.
Yeah, not Lagos.
So Coronation Insurance, what are you guys bringing to the table?
All right. We are telling you that we are going to protect your property against damage caused by busted pipes, flood and earthquake. We provide financial compensation for items lost due to theft or fire. We also tell you that we cover public liability against your property, and we also tell you we cover the loss of damage to the landlord fixture and fittings. We also tell you that we cover items stolen during break-ins. We also tell you that we are going to give you any legal costs incurred under public liability are also covered. We also cover losses arising from fire damage or burglary.
All right.
And we also have some break-ins that are not forcible. Maybe you ignorantly or mistakenly leave your door open while you are rushing to work, and somebody breaking into your walk into the apartment and cut away something tangible or something movable. We are telling you that at Coronation, if you have a householder insurance, you're good to go.
Okay. So this is more or less like a unique offering from Coronation Insurance.
Exactly.
All right. We'll talk about how, I was just asking you how it works earlier on, but speak to someone out there of what benefit is it for him to purchase a householder insurance policy as it stands today. Today is the 11th of November. So of what benefit will it be to him or her to purchase this kind of a policy?
Now, we are telling you now in Lagos, in Nigeria, that when you take up our householder insurance, we are giving you a peace of mind plan that gives you financial stability in case of loss.
Okay.
And we are telling you that you don't have to worry about what happened to your property where you are away, either you're out for vacation or something happened to your house. There is we have a scenario whereby in the past where we have this issue of EndSARS, where people have thugs and riot.
All right.
They break into people's apartments, they cut away with something. But if you have an householder insurance, we are telling you that we will notify you back to where you are. Your stolen item will be recovered, break-in will be covered. Even if you have electrical spark that actually damage your property,
right?
We are telling you that
you guys can come in.
We can come in.
Ooh.
So what we are basically telling you that entrust your risk with us.
All right, we'll look at those risks. Yes, we'll talk about those risks that are covered, really. But who needs it? Who needs a householder insurance policy?
Everybody above 18 years in Nigeria needs householder insurance. Whether you're a couple, you're living with somebody, you need householder insurance, because this particular plan covers even movable items like your laptops, your phones, your jewelries, your valuable belongings that are movable, that you felt, if I make, like your expensive phones. For these our Gen Zs who are buying iPhones these days, I'm buying Samsung Z, all these expensive gadgets.
Right.
We are telling you that bring and come to us, insure your gadget. It's an extension of householder, and you are good to go. All
right, we'll talk about the extensions too as the program moves on, really, Adewale. But let me give you this scenario. I have a friend, the daughter of my friend was in transit, and very recently, and all of a sudden, while using her iPhone, in the Uber that she was, some guy just came, snatched the phone from her, and that was it. she lost the phone. So are you saying the householder policy could have guaranteed protection for her?
Exactly.
How?
Because once that particular stolen gadget is part of the name gadget inclusive in your plan, you're good to go.
You mean it?
Yeah. All you need to do is to send a claim notification to Coronation, and trust me,
and that will be done.
We will walk you through all the processes of how to get you.
So it doesn't matter if the item is movable. Like laptops, these phones, you have to take them from the house.
Like I say, householder insurance gives you 100% peace of mind.
Okay.
You are not just going to insure your TV, your air conditioner. We are also going to insure your movable asset, your movable gadget like your handset, your wristwatch, your necklaces. Everything is insured.
Let's look at the gadgets in the house and some of the things that can be guaranteed. Kitchen utensils.
We have microwaves. We have washing machine.
Deep freezers. Wow, they're all covered. What about the furniture?
Furniture and everything in your house. That's what they call householder insurance. Those furnitures can be damaged through fire. They can be damaged through busted pipe.
Right.
So your landlord might not properly fix your external pipe very well, and you just went to the office and you came back and you saw everywhere flooded. For example, those who live in Lekki,
right,
and we know recently they have flooding issue. Come now to Coronation and take your household insurance and be at peace. Okay.
All right. Let's look at some other things that are not. What are the things that are not covered under this kind of policy?
Well,
since you say most of the things are covered, what else is not covered?
The only thing that is not covered is your landlord property.
Okay, is the property itself?
Yeah.
Okay, but what
we are saying now is that we are going to be helping you, securing you against any liability incurred.
Even
against the landlord features and fittings. Once you have an household insurance policy, with Coronation Insurance PLC, you are good to go. We got you covered.
All right.
100%.
All right. So talk to me, Adewale. Look at me, eyeball to eyeball, and let me know. This is surely going to cost an arm and a leg, right?
Well, like Nigeria, because of the awareness in Nigeria, people don't know that insurance premium is affordable. Affordable, because we are telling you that bring part of your stipend, part of your set aside funds, insure your property at a very cheap premium, and get covered for an unimaginable sum insured you can never imagine.
Yes. So
now, for example, if you are taking an household insurance, I can bet you that you can pay as low as 5,000 naira to cover your household content to the tune of 1 million.
Just 5,000.
Yeah, and your phones and laptop or jewelries you're just paying 3% of the value of those items.
You don't say?
Yes.
All right, Lagos Traffic Radio 96.1 FM. Some messages popping in for you, Adewale. I don't know if they are really curious about this one. This one says, is this something every tenant can get, or is it just for landlords alone? Pelumi is sending that one in from Ishaga.
Oh, all right. Pelumi, recently the government just introduced a compulsory insurance for landlord, and we know that the penetration of the drive is still low, but we're not telling you that every tenant in Nigeria, don't wait for your landlord.
Okay.
Secure your property.
With a householder policy.
With a householder policy with Coronation Insurance PLC, right. Secure your property.
All right, this one says, good morning, please, sir. If my house gets flooded, can this insurance help me replace my damaged stuffs?
100%.
Chisom is sending that one. Chisom, I think you said this earlier on. Maybe you were not listening. Another one here says, I've heard insurance companies don't like paying claims. Why is that so? Anonymous. Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, well, that is a myth, and I'll also say it depends on where you're getting your information from. At Coronation, our stronghold is our claims process. Our turnaround time is fantastic. Once you notify us that you have a claim, under 24 hours, we take you through your claim process. And mind you, the strength of any insurance company in Nigeria is the ability to pay claim, not the size of the building. And I can guarantee you that at Coronation, claims payment is fantastic. We have our customer portal where customer can actually process claim by themselves, and once they fill those forms, it flows to us. Under 24 hours, you're good to go.
All right. Then Lagos Ibadan Expressway, those of you within that end, what's happening? Some of you are complaining that you are having some slowness inwards Lagos, all right, around the Beja corridor. What's happening there? You can keep us posted 08099120777 and 09153877127. Those are the numbers that they can call. So for those who want to pick up a householder insurance policy from Coronation Insurance, how can they do that?
You have to reach out to us at our website. We are there on X, we are there on Instagram, we are there on Facebook, we are there on our website. Reach out to us, and once you type the name coronation.ng, we're good to go. You find every answer to your question on our website.
Where's your head office located?
Our head office is located at 119 Adewale Way, Ikoyi, Lagos. And you can also go to our branch office at Adeni Jones, 6B Adeni Jones, Ikeja, Lagos. You can also reach out to our other office at Toyin Street, which is 10A Toyin Street, Ikeja, Lagos.
All right, then. So we did tell you that there was a Loma compactor truck having mechanical problem at Anthony on the service lane. But the good news, just by the taxi park there, inwards town planning. But the good news, it has been taken off. So it's been towed off the road. So it's much better for those of you that are navigating through that corridor right now. Let's gradually begin to wind this down now. So Adewale, what's the premium for anyone who wants to pick up a householder policy from Coronation Insurance?
So we are telling you now that to take the premium for your householder content is the 0.5% of your householder content, and for your gadget, you're just paying for your phones and laptop or jewelry. You're paying 3% of the value, and for just your household cover content alone, we are telling you that you can pay as low as 5K for a content of 1 million naira.
Wow, 5,000.
Yes, for a content of 1 million naira.
I'm coming to your office right away.
No problem. And I can tell you that you can reach out to us in any Access Bank branches. Our our agent and our marketing executive are all
there.
Are spread all over the place to get you started with immediate effect.
All right, so Adewale, your mouth is very, very sweet. But quickly, let's talk about claims now. Claims process and the response time from Coronation. How does it work?
Thank you so much. Once you notify us at Coronation that you have a claim, we take you to the claims. We send the claim form to you with a completed claim forms, and you give us the estimate of repairs and replacement. You also send us photographs of damaged items. If it's a case of your gadget has been stolen or a case of theft or burglary, you give us a police report and any other supporting document relevant to the claim, and you're good to go. Our claims officers are 24 hours looking at you.
Right.
And once we onboard you as a customer in Coronation, we are going to be walking you through our customer experience team that will be with you throughout the journey. And we have our portal that we call the customer claims portal that customers can actually, you don't need to see your RM before you file a claim. Once you go into the app, you click on your details, you file in your claim, your response is at nanoseconds.
All right, quickly, let me just take some that are coming in. This one says, good morning, Victor. Please ask your guest if I can insure just some specific items only, like my TV and fridge, or does it have to cover everything? Thanks. If you're in, sending this one in. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ifeanyi. Like insurance is a game of, is the principle of insurance that says utmost good faith. What you declare to us is what we insure. So we are good to go. You can insure any items you feel that need insurance in your property, in your apartment. We are here for you at Coronation Insurance PLC to be with you all through the way.
All right, this one says, what about theft? Like if someone breaks in and steals things?
Okay.
This is coming from Bosun from Egbeda. Thank you, Bosun.
Bosun, you are covered. And we are even telling you now that even if you forget to close in, to forget to lock your door properly, that is not a forcible entry. It's different from burglary. You are covered. So far, you have an active plan with Coronation Insurance PLC. We are good to go.
All right, then. Let's begin to wrap all of this up. So you're saying this season people need it, right? People need the household insurance. That's what you're saying, right?
Everybody in Nigeria needs household insurance.
All right.
You are an artisan, you're a professional person, you are a market person, you're a business person. You need Coronation Insurance household plan. That is why we are here for you, and we are here to tackle every risk associated to your daily activity. Comrade
Daniel is also connecting with us. Comrade Daniel says, good morning, Victor, and your guest. If my phone or laptop gets stolen in transit, am I covered? And what are the processes of the claims? Comrade Daniel, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Comrade Daniel. What you need to do is to file in a claim notification to Coronation Insurance PLC, and we will take you through the claim process. Because it's theft, all you need to get us is police report, and we'll send you our claims forms. And once you fill in all the necessary details and with other supporting documents required, you are good to go. All right, let's begin to go now. Time is really fast spent. Adewale, what's your parting thought to our listeners this morning? Okay, my parting thought to Lagos, Nigeria in general is that don't joke with your insurance. Insurance is key. Insurance is peace of mind. Come today and get insured, and we are good to go. All right, you've heard him. He's from Coronation Insurance, and we've been trying to get a hold of your household insurance policy. And Adewale Salau, who is the regional manager for Coronation Insurance, has taken us to the classroom this morning. It's nice having you here. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for having me. All right, a brief break. When we return, we'll do our birthdays before we switch to consumer rights in Lagos.